Hello! Today, I will show you how to cook a delicious, tender chicken breast with cream. We will need 3 chicken breast fillets. Using a sharp knife, make longitudinal and transverse incisions halfway through the thickness of the chicken breast without cutting through to the base. Sprinkle with salt. Sprinkle with pepper. Turn the chicken breast over to the other side. Similarly, sprinkle with salt and pepper. Melt a piece of butter in a frying pan. It will give the meat a delicate aroma. Place the chicken breast in the frying pan for frying on both sides. Start frying with the side where the incisions were made. Once the chicken breast has turned golden brown, turn it over to fry on the other side. After frying both sides, place the chicken breast on a plate and set it aside for now. Take 2 or 3 onions, depending on size, and chop them. Fry the chopped onions in the same frying pan until they turn a light golden color. Fry the onions in the same oil left over from frying the chicken breast. If there is hardly any oil left after the previous frying, you can add some sunflower or olive oil. Next, we will need garlic. I use 1 clove of garlic, but for those who like this vegetable, you can add more. Finely chop the garlic. Add the garlic to the onions. I usually add it at the very end, a minute or two before adding the broth. This way, the garlic won't be overcooked and will retain its delicate aroma. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the frying pan. Then, immediately add a cup of chicken or beef broth, approximately 200 milligrams. If you don't have broth, you can use plain water. Stir well. The next step is to add cream. Before adding it to the frying pan, turn off the heat to stop the boiling process. Otherwise, the cream may curdle, forming lumps instead of turning into a light, viscous sauce. Slowly bring the mixture to a boil and add half a teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. For those who do not like the taste of nutmeg, you can replace it with any other spice you prefer. Add parsley. If you don't have fresh herbs, you can add 2 teaspoons of dried parsley. Now, place the pre-fried chicken breast into our sauce. Spoon the sauce over the parts of the chicken breast that are not covered by it. Then cover with a lid and simmer on low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Tender chicken breast in cream sauce is ready. Enjoy your meal. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching and liking.